Hello guys, and welcome into a new driving episode in this beautiful Saturday.
Nu uita să pornești luminile de întâlnire.
Da.
Virează la stânga. Apoi virează la stânga. Virează la stânga pe strada Neptun. Apoi virează la dreapta pe bulevardul Saturn. Virează la dreapta pe bulevardul Saturn. În 400 de metri. Virează la stânga pe strada Uranus. Ultima bandă virează la stânga pe strada Uranus. În 500 de metri. Virează la dreapta pe calea București. În 300 de metri. De pe prima bandă virează la dreapta. Apoi virează la dreapta. Virează la dreapta pe calea București. Apoi virează la dreapta pe strada Secelelor. Virează la dreapta pe strada Secelelor. Ai ajuns la destinație.
I purchased 10 little ones, 10 Mitch, 10 Mititei, for the first time from this place. The Casa Țăionească, it's called. The rustic house. But yeah, Hopefully they will be they will be okay. I'm a bit concerned because there weren't many people there. It was almost deserted, just a few customers. Nothing like you would expect in a restaurant that says it has the best grill in town. I shall see. From my past experience, look at this bus. That was a freaking bus. From my past experience, when I did this kind of experiments, these tests, and changed the place where I bought the food, no matter what it was, even if it was like groceries or fruits from the marketplace. It wasn't an inspired choice, but hopefully I'm wrong and they will taste amazing. In my town, for sure, you can purchase without a worry in the world grilled meat, no matter what it would be, from a place near the train station in my town, and another place that basically cooks the best food in town. The Wheel of Fortune, it's called, Roata Norocului. It's 2 minutes away from my home on foot, so it's right there. You will see it. You saw it in all of my videos, right on the final part of the driving videos with the point of view, where there is that sudden descent. I will show it to you right now when in this video when we'll reach it. And yeah, there the parking spots are taken. It is a full house all the time, especially in the weekend at noon. Not to mention in the evening what is there. I mean, it's, you have to reserve a table. So we're approaching the place, Roata Norocului. It's right after this part from Șirul Livezii, from Livada Poștei, the road that goes up to Poiana Brașov. You can see Poiana is for sure packed full with people, and right here it is. You take the first to the right and go down, and here it's the parking spot on the left, and on the right we have the restaurant. During the summer you can see it is literally full. I mean, without a reservation you cannot eat there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. A beautiful day ahead. May your food be as tasteful and as healthy as possible, and I'll catch you in the next ones. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.